Here's another Tuesday tip about Jamieson resources.
You really have to have good tools and accurate tools in order to hollow and have fun hollowing and not beat your body up. But even as important as the tools are, I think just as important is the process, how we're going to use them. And so I've got a ton of resources, YouTube clips, I've got articles that I've written that are archived on my website. I've got a newsletter publication with all kinds of information from Q&As in there. I've got DVDs that I've done, and in fact the hollowing DVD comes with my system. I think it's so important that I include it with the system, so it shows how to use the boring bar and the laser and the carbide cutter all in the DVD that comes with it. So bottom line, there's lots of resources, and I'm always near the phone, or even when I'm traveling, I keep a close lookout on my email. So if anybody has any questions, I'm very approachable and reachable. So what you get is part of my experience and my process along with it to make it easy and fun hollowing.